What is in an Indian village shop? Well, I'm going to show you we're in the state of Goa, and this Indian shop has necessities for the locals in stock. Now, first I'm going to show you some of the things over here, which we show. My cameraman's going to help me out. These are onions. There's potatoes. What is this? Ye kya hai?
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Yeah.
Okay, great. These are tomatoes, and then they have bananas that are from the village. These are green beans?
Yeah.
Green beans and limbu?
Lime. Yeah.
Lime. And
Carrot.
okay, these things are some snacks or what they might call chaat. And these are like fried foods and snacks that you can have with tea. I might we have this with tea? Chakri, okay. And some other snacks. All right, here is one thing that I think is very interesting is that there are a lot of single serving supplies that are strung up here. Now, this is a style of business that happens in an area where maybe you don't want to buy a whole tub of shampoo or fabric softener. So we're going to look at what some of these are, and we'll start on the left. Jeera powder is, what is jeera powder?
Jeera powder.
For what?
Yeah.
What is it used for? For
Spices.
spices. It's spices. Okay, jeera powder is spicers. Here is coriander. What is this one? Kya hai?
Masala. Maggi masala.
Masala.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's masala. Hot and red chili powder here. This is chicken soup. This is shampoo. There's a lot of shampoos. We're going to come to those. These are single serving of coffee. So that's instant coffee. Here's Dove shampoo. Lots of shampoos, actually. There's like a lot of those. And then there's the chips and the snacks on the right, which most places have. This was new to me. When I hadn't seen single serving shampoos, I thought that that was pretty interesting. Now, she also has some eggs. She has some coconuts over here. But this shop serves as, for the locals, a place where they can get their daily necessities. So my friend who I'm staying with, the cameraman, his name's Akshay, we needed some eggs today. So we came here and we bought 6 eggs. Same thing, we're going to get some curd today. We're going to get a little bit of butter as well.
Kitna packet? 2 packet.
So we're going to get 2 packets of curd, which is dahi.
और एक butter bhi.
Back here behind the shop, you can see some of the other things. There is milk in the boxes. There's a lot of cookies. There's cleaning supplies at the top. I see some Coca-Colas on the bottom. There's no Coke. There's no Diet Coke, which I have a bad addiction to Diet Coke. Here's some teas that's over here and some other condiments and things like that. But basically, this has everything that you might need in a small village for your snacks, your daily necessities, and things like that. Well, my name is Nick Gray. I'm traveling around India. I like to show you the little slices of life and the things that we find. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you tomorrow.